Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Teaching Treasures. Today, we are going to learn something very important about English. We are going to learn the parts of a sentence. Have you ever wondered how we make a sentence? For example, the cat sleeps, or Sarah eats an apple. A sentence is made up of different parts, and today we are going to learn 3 very important ones: the subject, the verb, and the object. Are you ready? Fantastic! Let's begin. What is a sentence? First, let's talk about what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought or idea. Listen to this. The dog runs. Does that make sense? Yes. We know who is running, and we know what the dog is doing. Now, listen to this. The dog. Is that a complete sentence? Not really. We are left wondering, what is the dog doing? So remember, a sentence needs to give us a complete idea. Let's say it together. A sentence needs to give us a complete idea. Excellent. The subject. Now let's learn about the first part of a sentence, the subject. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Let's look at this sentence. The boy runs. Who is the sentence about? The boy. So, the boy is the subject. Let's try another one. The cat sleeps. Who is the sentence about? The cat. Let's try one more. The flowers are beautiful. What is the sentence about? The flowers. Very good. So remember, the subject is who or what the sentence is about. Let's say it together. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. Fantastic. The verb. Now let's meet the verb. A verb often tells us about an action. For example, run, jump, eat, sleep, read, write. These are all verbs. Let's look at our sentence again. The boy runs. Who is the sentence about? The boy. And what is he doing? Running. So, runs or running is the verb. Let's try another one. The girl reads a book. Who is the sentence about? The girl. What is she doing? Reading. So the verb is reads. Great job. Here's another one. The dog jumps. What is the verb? Jumps. Exactly. So let's remember. The verb tells us what someone or something does. Let's say it together. The verb tells us what something or someone does. Excellent. The object. Now we have one more important part. The object. The object is often the person or thing that receives the action. Let's look at this sentence. Sarah eats an apple. Who is the sentence about? Sarah. Sarah is the subject. What is Sarah doing? Eating. So eating is the verb. But what is Sarah eating? An apple. So an apple is the object. Let's look at another example. Tom kicks the ball. Who is the sentence about? Tom. That's the subject. What is Tom doing? Kicking. That's the verb. What does Tom kick? The ball. That's the object. So we have Tom is the subject, kicks is the verb, and the ball is the object. Great work. Let's put it all together. Remember, subject, who or what? Verb, what are they doing? Object, what or whom is receiving the action? Let's try this sentence. The boy kicks the ball. Let's break it down. The boy. Who is the sentence about? The boy. That's our subject. Kicks. What is he doing? Kicking. That's our verb. The ball. What is he kicking? The ball. That's our object. So, the boy, subject. Kicks, verb. The ball, object. Fantastic. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you some sentences. I want you to find the subject, verb, and object. Are you ready? The girl drinks water. Who is the sentence about? The girl. That's the subject. What is she doing? Drinking. That's the verb. What is she drinking? Water. That's the object. Excellent. The dog chases the cat. Who is the sentence about? The dog. Subject. What is the dog doing? Chasing. Verb. What is the dog chasing? The cat. Object. Fantastic. Sam reads a book. Who? Sam. Subject. What does Sam do? Reads. Verb. What does Sam read? A book. Object. Wonderful. Let's do one final challenge. Look at this sentence. The teacher writes a sentence. Can you find the three parts? Let's check. The teacher, subject. Writes, verb. A sentence, object. Did you get them all? Fantastic. Let's quickly review what we learned today. A sentence gives us a complete idea. The subject tells us who or what a sentence is about. The verb tells us what something or someone does. And the object tells us what or who receives the action. Remember, subject, who or what. Verb, what are they doing? Object, what or who. And when we put them together, we can make wonderful sentences. You did an amazing job today. Now, why don't you try making your own sentence? Choose a subject, add a verb, and then add an object. For example, the boy kicks the ball. Keep practicing, keep reading, and keep learning. I'll see you in the next lesson here at Teaching Treasures. Goodbye, everyone.